Guys, 3 real quick tips right now. 3 quick steps involved in getting your product on Amazon, getting it selling, all right? Step number 1 is find the product, do the research. I cannot tell you how many people do not do this, all right? It's embarrassing how many people list products on Amazon not knowing whether or not it's currently on Amazon or whether or not it's currently selling on Amazon, all right? So whatever product you get involved in, make sure you are doing the research, all right? It's kind of like buying a property, buying one of these apartments behind me, not doing any research on the area, not knowing whether or not you can sell it later on, all right? So you need to look at comparable sales, you need to look at, what the prices are in the recent months. You got to do your research, and the same thing goes with starting a business on Amazon. Step number 2, once you've found the product, once you've found that it's doing comparable sales and that people out there currently making money selling that particular product, you need to do a sample. So what that means is you need to order one, test it out, play it around with it, throw it in the bath, see what happens, all right? Unless it's a toaster, of course. Try it out and make sure that you are 100% happy with this particular product. Once you are happy with this particular product, it's a very short time span from sampling to actually placing an order with a supplier and sending it to the Amazon warehouse. Once you've sent it to the Amazon warehouse, essentially you get into immediate, basically the selling, all right? As soon as it hits the stores, they scan it, gets put in stock, you've done your listing already, and now you're pretty much primed for sales. So you can do a few things. You can start doing PPC. If you want to do PPC, you can start managing a listing, improving the images, writing copy, comparing your copy, your headline, your bullet points to other people, to other competitors in the industry. But what I'm saying is, they are mainly the 3 steps involved in getting your product on Amazon, right? Finding the product, making sure you do the research, right? Getting a sample, then listing it on Amazon and getting it sold. And that's the most important thing. There's a big difference between listing a product on Amazon and selling a product on Amazon. You want to do the latter. I hope you enjoyed today's tip. If you want to get access to a free training, don't forget, hit us up at our website or give us a call and the office. The number is on or below this video, 02 8003 7534. I'd love to work with you. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye for now.